Ellis Island. In a few minutes, we are going to embark in this island. See you later, and please watch till the end to enjoy the view and the story of Ellis Island. We embark and going to Ellis Island. Embarkador.
Ellis Island was.
Yeah, Ellis Island. Hello po mga karancho, ito po ang makikita ninyo sa loob ng Ellis National Museum. Ellis Island National Museum of Immigration is located on Ellis Island in New York Harbor. It is sitting just south of Manhattan between the states of New York and New Jersey. It is housed inside the historic main building of the former Federal Immigration Station and is managed as part of the National Park Service. Mga karancho, what is the geographic location of Ellis Island? The geographic location of Ellis Island is New York Harbor, shared waters between New York and New Jersey. Ito po ang makikita ninyo sa Ellis Island Museum. Ayan. Ayan ang mga sample. Ayan. Yung mga unang nagpunta dito sa Amerika. Learn about historic and modern immigrant journeys through first-person stories and interactive experiences. Between 1892 and 1954, the Ellis Island National Museum of Immigration processed over 12 million immigrants arriving in New York Harbor. Ellis Island serves as immigration station during the time. It is known also as the Island of Hope, Island of Tears. It served as the nation's primary federal inspection station where hopeful travelers face quick medical and legal tests before starting life in America. Para silang sumusuot sa butas ng karayom. Mga karancho, let's talk about the journey and arrival of those immigrants. Paano naglalakbay ang mga immigrants papuntang Amerika? Immigrants sailed for 1 to 2 weeks in crowded, noisy steerage compartments at the bottom of the steamships. Grabe, ganyan talaga ang hirap ng mga gustong makarating ng Amerika. Many travelers caught the first glimpse of the Statue of Liberty and New York skyline with immense relief. So, in other words, sa Tagalog, kapag nakita na nila yung Statue of Liberty at saka yung New York skyline, grabe na ang pakiramdam nila, ang saya-saya na nila. Ibig sabihin, makakarating na sila sa Amerika. Alam niyo ba, mga karancho, na yung mga immigrants ay galing pa sa iba't ibang lugar para lang maging immigrant sa Amerika. Ang ibig ko sabihin ng iba't ibang lugar ay iba't ibang bansa. Sino ba ang kauna-unahang immigrant dito sa Amerika? A 17-year-old Irish girl named Annie Moore was the very first immigrant processed on January 1, 1892. Paano ba sila makakapasa para maging immigrant dito sa Amerika? So, noong 1892, merong mga proseso at inspection na ginagawa. Gaya halimbawa ng mga sumusunod. Doctors watch people climb stairs to check for breathing issues or physical ailments, marking suspicious signs with chalk. Meron ding registry questioning. Legal officers ask 29 questions, including names, destinations, and whether they had money or job. Ano naman ang ratings para pumasa? About 98% of arrivals passed successfully within hours, while a small fraction faced detention or returned to Europe. Mga karancho, pag hindi nakapasa at na-detain sa Ellis Island, ano naman kaya ang kanilang buhay sa Ellis Island? Immigrants detained at Ellis Island waited in dormitories for days or weeks while facing legal or medical reviews. So, nire-recheck or nire-review kung ano bang health condition nila at kung meron ba silang bad records sa kanilang bansang pinanggalingan. Nothing is given to you. You have to work hard. I feel like that's the same thing that was happening back then. They came here and had to work harder to get anything. Ayan, that is Gabriel, who was Titsla, student participant for the grounds where community mural project. Ayan. So ayan, kailangan mo nga naman paghirapan ang mga bagay-bagay. Just to be, just to belong. To belong in a community. Ayan yung sabi ni Gabriel Hahustitla. Naku po mga karancho, patawarin po ninyo ako kung hindi ko ma-pronounce ng tama yung pangalan niya. Sabi nga ni Gabriel Hahustitla ay talagang bago ka talaga matanggap bilang imigrante sa Amerika ay kailangan mo talagang paghirapan. Ayun na nga, dahil sa kagustuhan nilang makarating ng Amerika at maging imigrante dito sa Amerika, ay talagang pinaghihirapan talaga nila kahit siksikan sila sa isang kwarto kasi about 20% face temporary detention living in large communal rooms. Imagine, malaki yung room pero sama-sama sila lahat. Pero siyempre, separate ang lalaki at babae. Eating provided meals, so meron naman silang pagkain. And awaiting telegrams from relatives or health recovery. Kung sila ay may sakit, hinihintay muna nilang gumaling sila before ultimate admission, and then huhusgahan na sila kung sila ay papasa or ibabalik na sila sa kanilang bansang pinanggalingan. So, sa 20%, hindi lahat ay papasa. So, mga karancho, dito sa palabas na ito, ang sabi nga ay, pagka daw nakarating ng Amerika nung araw ang mga tao, para ka nang nakarating sa buwan. Karancho, tingnan ninyo yung mga iba't ibang klase ng tao na galing sa iba't ibang bansa na nangarap magpunta ng Amerika kasi sa tingin nila, pag nakarating sila sa Amerika, para na silang nakarating sa moon. So, ayan, look at the places where they came from. Russia, Italy, Ukraine, Italy, Poland, Germany, England, Russia, Italy, Hungary, Italy. So, ayun yung mga boses nila pero hindi ko na marinig kasi naubos na battery. Ayan, mga karancho, ayan po ang sweldo nila nung araw, ayan. $2 lang. $5 yung bricklayers. Ayan. Ayan ang kanilang mga sweldo. Ayan, port of entry, New York City, America's largest seaport since 1820, was the principal gateway for immigration to the United States of America. So, ayan na nga mga karancho. Hindi ko na ma-explain na isa-isa. Basta ito lang ang makikita natin yung history kung paano nagdatingan dito ang mga immigrants na iba't ibang bansa nang galing. So, talagang nangarap sila na makarating ng Amerika. At nung araw pala, pagpunta nila dito, iba't ibang klase ng pamamaraan kung paano sila makapunta dito sa Amerika at pag sila ay natanggap bilang immigrant, parang isang malaking kasiyahan para sa kanila. The darkness is over and it's the start of happiness in their lives, new life for them. At sabi nga, para daw silang nakarating sa moon. Tara na, dito naman tayo sa second floor. Ellis Island Museum, second floor, let's go. Sa katotohanan lang mga karancho, kahit ngayong panahon na ito, 2026 na, marami pa rin nangangarap makarating ng Amerika. Pumorma na kayo, pipicturean ko kayo. Nandito naman tayo sa gift shop. Tingnan natin kung ano bang mabibili dito. Although wala naman akong dollars, libre naman tumingin, di ba? How much? Wow, it's already Christmas here. Ay, ayan pala, ito pala bibiling ko. Ito bibiling ko to. How much is that? $21.95. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Please subscribe, like, and share. I love you all subscribers. Babush. God bless everyone. Pasakay na uli kami ng ferry. Mainit na sa labas. Ay, ano? Hindi tayo mabot? Ayan, diba?